Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI, and if you have problems with dry patches of skin or really irritating eczema flare-ups like I do, you need to know about Young Living's Rose Ointment. So this is like a balm, okay? It's really thick. See the consistency there? It is a bit greasy, but this is gonna soothe and protect your skin using essential oils like rose oil, ylang ylang. There's several different essential oils in here, but I typically use it. I will get these bad flare-ups right here on my knuckles. And this is always my go-to for that. It's super hydrating. Definitely great for other areas. If you have itchy, dry skin, I would pick it up because I think you'll be very pleased. And that's my point of view.